Who is the author of the book The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes? Answer is A. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Answer is A. Dadabhai Naoroji. Which is the first ever film to be made in the Khasi language in 1981? Answer is C. Jingkylli Museum. In which city is the Hawa Mahal located? Answer is A. Jaipur. Which Indian leader gave the slogan, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom"? Answer is D. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Answer is C. Bharat Ratna. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate in India? Answer is B. Kerala. Who is the author of the book Gitanjali? Answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. What is the official language of Meghalaya? Answer is A. English. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Answer is B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Who painted the world famous Mona Lisa? Answer is B. Leonardo da Vinci. How many teeth does an adult human being have? Answer is D. 32. What is the name of India's first satellite launch into space? Answer is A. Aryabhatta. First Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Economics is? Answer is C. Amartya Sen. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? Answer is B. Antonio Guterres. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer is B. Japan. Who invented the telephone? Answer is A. Alexander Graham Bell. Which planet is known as a red planet? Answer is B. Mars. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Answer is B. Neil Armstrong. Manas National Park is situated in which Indian state? Answer is B. Assam. What is the capital of Canada? Answer is C. Ottawa. Who is the first Khasi Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Answer is D. Pub. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Answer is D. Pacific Ocean. Which is the national sport of India? Answer is C. Hockey. Ryder Cup is associated with which sport? Answer is D. Golf. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? Answer is C. Vatican City. Who is the last Mughal emperor of India? Answer is C. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Which of the following is not a union territory? Answer is D. Goa. Who was the first governor of the full-fledged state of Meghalaya? Answer is B. Rajkumar Nehru. In which country is the famous Eiffel Tower located in? Answer is B. France. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? Answer is A. Norway. Which is the longest mountain range in the world? Answer is A. Andes. Who invented the printing press? Answer is C. Johannes Gutenberg. What is the full form of PAN card? Answer is A. Permanent account number. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which country? Answer is B. Australia. What is the headquarters of East Giant Hills District? Answer is C. Cleriot. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer is D. B.R. Ambedkar. Which is the longest river in India? Answer is A. Ganga. What is the full form of AIMS? Answer is D. All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Who is the current Vice President of India? Answer is D. Jagdeep Dhankar. Which Indian city is known as the Blue City of India? Answer is C. Jodhpur. What is the state capital of Uttarakhand? Answer is A. Dehradun. Who is known as the Bard of the Brahmaputra? Answer is D. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Which is the oldest national park of India? Answer is B. Jim Corbett National Park. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer is D. Jupiter. Which is the state flower of Meghalaya? Answer is A. Lady Slipper Orchid. Commemorating the visit of King George V and Queen Mary visit to India, which iconic gateway stands in Mumbai? Answer is B. Gateway of India. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Answer is B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which Indian cricketer is the first to be known as the Little Master? Answer is B. Sunil Gavaskar. The term Satyagraha was coined by which leader? Answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi.